Showed up barefoot by the river bend, laughing like she'd never met an end. Wildflowers tangled in her hair, sunlight seemed to follow everywhere. She knew every back road, every tree, made the whole town feel 17. Even old men smiled when she'd wave, like she'd found something they'd forgotten to save. Some people leave footprints in the sand. She left constellations in our hands. You stole July and left us August, left the sky a little less blue. Took the fireflies in the midnight air and every song we danced to. Now every summer comes around, but never feels the way you used to do. You stole July and left us August, and nobody ever found